What's up, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and in today's video we're going to be running through a simple issue that you may be having if you use Audacity. So I'll simply go ahead and open it up, and then I'll try and import a .aac file as such. As you can see, the file is an advanced audio coding file. Without the optional FFmpeg library, Audacity cannot open this file type, otherwise you need to convert it to import it. Now, I'm not such a huge fan of converting things because it can lose quality or will end up in much bigger or smaller file sizes, etc, etc. So how exactly do we fix that issue? Well, if you get that pop-up by dragging something into it, there's a little question mark over here that takes you to the help page over here. Now, we're not exactly looking for this, as this will lead us down a rather long rabbit hole. So without navigating your way through the help files, how exactly do we fix that? Well, open up Audacity and then head across to Edit, followed by Preferences, or hit Ctrl-P. Then when you see this page over here, head across to the Libraries tab over here, and we see this. FFmpeg import export library, FFmpeg library version, FFmpeg library not found. If it says not found, then all we have to do is follow the two buttons down here. First of all, simply click download and we'll get taken to this page over here. Then we'll select Windows, Mac, or GNU/Linux. Now, of course, I'll be doing it for Windows, so I'll use this one at the top over here, and this is what the guide is specifically for. If you're trying to do this on Mac or Linux, follow these instructions down here. If I click this first one over here, FFmpeg installation, it takes us to the subheading over here, installing the FFmpeg import-export library on Windows. For full install instructions, see installing FFmpeg for Windows, and we'll get taken to this page. Now, of course, this file over here isn't actually a website, it's a local help file. Down in the description below is this over here, which is a copy of the web version. Don't worry, it's exactly the same. This is what you're looking for. Down here we have the recommended installer and alternative. Simply click FFmpeg download page over here. Simply follow the first instruction and open this link in a new tab, FFmpeg download page. This will also be linked down below. Then what we're looking for is FFmpeg win222.exe or whatever version you see. If you're confused with where to find it, simply hit Ctrl F and type in FFmpeg -win- and then hit enter a couple of times until you see this section over here. I only had to hit it once. Then you see the recommended option is the zip, but instead I'll be using the installer by clicking the exe over here. Then I'll click on it to open it when it's done downloading. Then it'll eventually open up the installer over here. All we have to do is simply follow the instructions. So as you can see, it's asking us to install it to the same directory as Audacity. So looking over here under the fourth step, you can see it says read the license, click next, next and then install to C program files FFmpeg for Audacity or C program files 86 FFmpeg for Audacity on 64-bit Windows PCs. So in the installer, I'll simply click OK, next, read through the license, next, and then we see this over here. By default, it should be this. All we have to do is click next and install. After doing this, I'll click finish and we'll head across to Audacity once again. So I'll go ahead and close out of Audacity, then I'll open it up again. I'll drag and drop the AAC file back in, and if we still receive the issue, and we shouldn't receive the issue, it should just import. However, if it still gives you an issue, then it's probably not installed to the right directory. Don't worry, if it is installed in the right directory and you're still getting the issue, we can fix it. If you do, head across to Edit, followed by Preferences once again. Then Libraries, and we'll click Locate. Then I'll click Yes, if you see that, and we'll get this pop-up over here. As you can see, it's currently pointing to C program files 86, FFmpeg for Audacity, AV format 55.dll. All we have to do is click Browse next to this text box and find our way into C program files 86, FFmpeg for Audacity, and then click Open. Then you'll see this over here. Okay. Restarting Audacity, you should be able to import your audio file as per normal. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found it somewhat useful. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.